County to text me they County text me your first and last name, your chart, and I just texted to my lawyer.
Alright, I'm gonna have her text to you.
Text right now, man. So you ain't got the phone. I get the lawyer. Damn well I'm not in the morning. I've been told her to call me. They just said she won't have some phone with nobody or whatever.
Hey, son.
They lying. Ain't nobody call me.
Yeah. Shannon, Lil D. They just said you won't have some phone with nobody.
Hey, son.
That's what they told me. What's up?
You told me text my name and what?
Your chart. Text me your name, your birthday. Because you don't want your name and your birthday.
I think that's the whole area, Your Honor. And I think to hear what was redacted, we can play the original so you can know what is at 10:45 to 10:50.
Call is subject to recording and
Yeah. Shannon, Lil D. They just said you don't have some phone with nobody.
I talked to Shannon. He said to me last night. Shannon lying.
That's what they told me. Lil D. They just said you don't have some phone with nobody.
I talked to Shannon. He said to me last night. Shannon lying.
And what y'all agreed to was 10:45 to 10:50. If that is no longer the subject of agreement and you feel like more should come out, that basically what you're saying?
No, Your Honor. Basically what I'm saying is that 5 seconds, I thought the agreement was that it would just totally be taken out. Now what it looks like has happened is that the one sentence, the rest of it is just lowered, it's tuned out, and then the rest of the conversation is still in the background.
When you look at 10:45, 10:50, it is the part that says Shannon is lying. Like that is the 5 seconds.
Okay, so is it like spliced out or is it just muted?
No, listen. To me, it sounds like Shannon.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Shannon is lying is out. Like you don't hear that at all in the redacted version.
Right. Is there a 5-second space where there's silence?
No, it looks like the conversation just continues from the first thing to the next.
I mean, I didn't hear, you can play just that little part again. I didn't hear it sound like, and then something nefarious is going on, and then we get back to the conversation. But play that again for me.
The original or the redaction?
The redaction, that's the one that's at issue.
Get the lawyer. Damn well I'm not in the morning. I've been told her to call me. They just said she won't have some phone with nobody or whatever.
Hey, son.
They lying. Ain't nobody call me.
Yeah. Shannon, Lil D. They just said you don't have some phone with nobody.
I talked to
Hey, son.
That's what they told me. What's up?
You told me text my name and what?
Your chart. Text me your name, your birthday. Because you don't want your name and your birthday in your charge.
Shit,
And then
I
he just said,
got a lot of charges though.
what are your probate?
So it's out.
It sounds like what y'all agreed to. All right, what's the next issue?
Your Honor, the next issue is at 1513 to the end. Now, Attorney Stills, you found it? It's out. So we're good. One second. Okay, Your Honor, can we play from 1513 to the end, the unredacted version? It may make more sense to explain the argument by listening to it.
Not yet. So y'all had agreed that 1515 to 1532 would be out. So is it not out? It is out. Okay, then what's the issue?
So, go ahead. So I don't know if that's 17 seconds that was redacted from the version that the state sent to us. So I wanted clarification with them, but our understanding was that not only was Attorney Steele's name supposed to be taken out, but the part where Jeffery Williams responds and says, well, Mr. Copeland says, but we don't have a lawyer, something like that. And then Mr. Williams says in response, we can just use my lawyer. We thought that was supposed to be taken out also because obviously that would imply Mr. Steele. And so the next line where Mr. Williams actually says Brian's name, that part's taken out, but not the sentence right before it.
That says we can just use my lawyer?
Yes.
No, Your Honor, the specific thing that was asked to be out was his name. And we had argument on Brian Steele's name, and the agreement was we would stop at lawyer and every.
If you have ever wondered how to take vocals out of a song to either make an a cappella or an instrumental version, then this is for you. You can drag and drop your files, and then you can
agree that we should just follow what was ordered, and it's 1515, 1532.
Okay.
So I just need to, we could do it privately, but whatever that is should come out. That's it.
But that is what
All right.
I gave to our graphics person everything that we agreed upon, and that is what was taken out.
Okay. So the last thing that said is my lawyer.
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's fine. What else? Okay.
All due respect to counsel.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Hilton, you can continue.
Now, Mr. Copeland, in the last interview that we listened to, you talk about Tay from NBC. Is that threat?
I don't recall.
And is that the same Tay that Shell Kell shot back in 2015?
I don't recall.
Now, you also, in that same interview, talked about a different Tay from Simpson Road. Is that correct?
I don't recall.
Is Tay from Simpson Road nicknamed Savage?
I don't recall.
Why did you give Nut his stuff back?
I don't know. I don't recall.
Now, after that interview, you went to jail, correct?
Huh?
After that last interview we just watched from February 21, you went to jail, correct?
What that interview?
The one we just watched before lunch.
Probably so.
Okay. While in jail, did you call Max while you were in custody?
I don't recall.
Have you had the opportunity to listen to a jail call today with you and Max on that call?
I don't recall.
Your Honor, this time the state like to send State's Exhibit 393Y for a prior inconsistent statement.
And it is what?
The jail call from March of 2011.
Okay. March. Do you have a date?
March 11th, 2015. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. That's admitted. You may.
Jail. This call is subject to recording and monitoring, and your location information may be collected and used by corrections and law enforcement personnel. To accept charges, press 1. To refuse charge.
For a limited time, visit an inmate from the comfort of your home for only $5. Take advantage of this limited time promotion by going to www.securistech.net and creating a Securus video visitation account today.
Thank you for using Securus. You may start the conversation now.
Hello. Yeah, she got things all up on her eyes. What? And then there's like the girl got bags all up on her eyes.
What you have to do now?
Okay, I'm trying to okay, okay. Over the canyon and everything's all right. Back over there. Yeah. All right. See you later. Okay. What's her number?
404.
404.
58. 1990. Hello?
Ooh.
Max.
What up, bro?
What the hell going on?
Huh?
I said, what the hell going on?
Get energy on the you got live and stuff out. On the jail court, they supposed to keep me in the jail updated. Hold on, I gotta walk out.
Jay, when you answer the phone for me.
Hold on right there. Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, they supposed to, hold on, I'm finna call her on the freeway. I'm finna call her on the freeway, hold on, I gotta walk away from that music. We on the legit tour.
Alright.
Hold on. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Hold on. But Jay's supposed to keep us at one while we on tour.
You said what?
She's supposed to keep us informed, like kept calling me while we on tour.
She won't even answer the phone for me, bro.
You want me to call her freeway?
Huh?
I said, you want me to call her freeway or call her when I get out of the phone?
When the last time you talked to her?
The last time I talked to her, like, 2 weeks ago. She like her cousin gonna keep her on the day to wait.
What? She told me that I supposed to went to court Friday on Thursday.
So what they say?
Shit, I don't know. Like, I'm trying to see if I'm a ghost still, but I ain't talking to nobody like she.
Okay, I'm on the phone.
Huh?
What you want? What you need me to do?
Call Jade and see if she gonna answer me your phone.
Okay, I ain't gonna put on the 60 hours. Hold on. Change your alcohol.
Saying else.
know.
Damn, man. I'm just,
I can have the judge daddy check on it and see when you go to court. The judge daddy do that.
see, listen, I go to court on jail. I don't go to court downtown.
I know that I still have the judge daddy check on it.
See, like, if you check, it ain't gonna say it in the computer. It's like, in the computer, it say I don't have a court date.
You go this Friday?
I was supposed to go this Friday. Like, my probation house, they shouldn't call me probation house. But probation house told her that I was on the calendar for the 13th.
What I was gonna say, so they holding you just for probation?
Yeah, that's the only thing I got is probation. I don't got no new charge.
You talk to your probation house?
Yeah, I talked to her. She ain't put the hold on me.
Who did?
What you say?
So he didn't put the person probation hold, did he? You know,
What you say, man?
I said, so if she didn't put the probation hold on you, who did?
Her supervisor. The police.
Why?
The police had went to the night the nigga pulled up on me and shot at her. The police got mad because I ain't say nothing. So he couldn't lock me up because they ain't have no gun, they ain't have nothing. So he went to my probation house and asked them, like, is there anything I haven't been doing? And they be like, I ain't did my community service. So they locked me up for not doing community service. But everybody, like, they didn't even never lock me up for. I could have been doing bitch through this probation for that. No,
yeah.
I'm gonna get out when I go to court. It's just they won't give me no court date.
So though we really need to get you a court date.
Yeah, I've been trying to get a lawyer, but I couldn't.
I need to talk to the Jeff. I need to talk to the dad about it, cause you know the Jeff dad know those people. Big Jeff know those people. He know them people at the courthouse and at Wall Street. Yeah. But only reason I said that is Big Jeff because Jay was like she was gonna handle it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. She got her brother, her folks on the shit. So whenever she hears something, she was gonna call me back and tell me. But I ain't even talk to her ever since she got arrested. I called her at night. I ain't talked to her.
She got
like 2 weeks ago. Who?
Jay.
No, that hoe ain't like her. She on Instagram.
Oh. Nah, look. See, when they had locked me up, then they police came out here and took me back downtown and tried to question me again. You feel me?
Yeah.
And then, like, they did holding me in jail. Shit, whenever I go to court, they gonna let me go. I just gotta go to court.
Yeah. Well, we need to try and figure that out. Cause we ain't in Atlanta. We won't be back in Atlanta for April the 6th. But you know, like we can still like look, if I just go tell the judge hit up one that go in there and get you a court date. You know what I'm saying?
Ask him and see what he say.
Hold on, I don't know what they say. Who you said refrigerator? Your house?
Hello?
Yeah, but I like it.
Hello.
Hello?
What's up?
What's going on?
Bob, okay. Hey, Bob, now Rick on. What's going on, Slap?
Say, hey man, I need this lawyer.
Brother, some shit.
Yeah. I know.
What they come out of?
Whenever I go to court, I get out. They say I'm.
Yeah. What is this probation?
Yeah. I supposed to go to Friday, but ain't nobody came talk to me. And last time they did it, they had resetted me. So, and I need to get a lawyer, and lawyer get me in there, and I can go ahead and get out.
Yeah. Who you want?
Huh?
I said, who you want?
Who I want?
Yeah.
What you mean, who I want? A lawyer?
Yeah.
I don't know no lawyer.
So I'm saying, what's your charge? What is it? A probation violation?
Yeah. Only thing you say, I ain't did no community service. That's the only thing I got.
You ain't do no community service.
Yeah. That's the only thing.
They trying to text me your first and last name, your charge. And I just texted my lawyer.
Alright, I'm gonna have her text to you.
Test right now, man. So you ain't got the phone. I get the lawyer. You know damn well I'm not in the morning. I've been told the girl called me. They just said she won't answer the phone with nobody or whatever.
Hey, son.
They lying. Ain't nobody called me.
Man, yeah. Shannon, called him, Lil D. They just said you won't answer the phone with nobody.
I called.
Hey, son.
They told me. What's up?
You told me to text my name and what?
Your charge. Text me your name, your birthday. Because you don't want your name and your birthday and your charge.
See,
and then
I got a lot of charges though.
What is your probation violation? What is it?
I ain't got no new charge. I don't think I got probation violation. But I got like three different cases, but it's all upon one probation.
You got 3 what, son?
I got three cases that I'm on probation for, but it's all upon the one probation hold.
So when you got locked up, you didn't have no new charge?
Nah, they didn't have them charge me with.
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, that's too good.
So they did.
That's good.
They brought me down here and they came and pushed me the next day after they brought me in jail. They came to push me about some shit, and then they brought me back down here. And I ain't been pushed since.
So she need to text your name and your birthday and whatever your charges is. You on Wright Street, huh?
Yeah, I'm in Wright Street.
He can go. He'll come down in the morning.
I go to court at the jail. You said what?
You go to court when?
I go to court at the jail. I supposed to go Friday. He said
you got to go to hearing court.
when I go to the court, they let me go.
Yeah, I already know that. You just gotta get in the courtroom.
Yeah, that's all I got.
They gotta get on the goddamn felony. Yeah, they should have been called. They would have called you that lawyer saying they got locked up or the next motherfucking morning.
I'm trying to call. Every time I call Shane the phone, he ain't answer, and then when I got a phone, they sounded like he'll call back and shit like that.
Hold on.
But I had tried to call that phone, she ain't had no minutes.
Who?
Max, she ain't had no minutes. Yeah.
You want me to tell her to put something on her?
Nah, she ain't got to put nothing on Deshaun.
Nah. That jinx. I mean, put no minutes on the phone.
Yeah, that was a bullshit.
That jinx. I ain't ever did that.
Yeah.
I ain't ever in my life like got locked up and put me on the phone. I just feel like that jinx, like you gonna fit.
Yeah.
I ain't ever did that.
Now, tight room going around, they beat me up and everything, man.
You already know all that was coming. I already knew all that was coming. Oh, they say your shit just everybody got to blank in your eyes.
Yeah, they say the police let them jump on me. I see they crazy, man.
Man, 12 man, that's so many problems. And whoever in the jail, all they got ain't nothing. What's your intent, man? What's your intent, man?
This shit here a drag, bro.
Man, what the hell you talking about? You already know I know what's happening. When you got locked up, I was already like, what the hell, what they talking about? Now I'm talking about nobody. They won't try to tell you. Man, I don't stop right here in front of these folks and look at these folks call. That's your phone.
Yeah.
I made Bentley call her. Like, call her. See what the fuck going on. Because of probation. It's just a little bullshit. But probation will try to hold you. Just about their money or whatever. So I already know that. Like I said, I was just gave him a lawyer a 3-4 band, $2,500. He'll bring you.
You have 1 minute left.
He'll get you in the courtroom for $2,500. That ain't shit.
I don't even want that much. One lawyer had told me.
I know.
Yeah. So this, I might have this son text you my information and stuff. You say you try to have me in the morning. Yeah,
I had a lawyer or whatever lawyer you choose.
I don't have none.
Well, I could just have somebody pull up on Deshaun and bring Deshaun the money. Then you see what I'm saying? Or Deshaun by my dad, because they probably know something about the shit. So I can just make anybody go get the money. I can make them pull up to the club, get the money from Ken or anything right now. You see what I'm saying? So that ain't no pressure.
Shit, we don't know no lawyer though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know my lawyer.
That concludes the playing of that jail call. Now, Mr. Copeland, the women on that call was one Deshaun, your girlfriend.
I don't recall.
Okay. Is the other individual Max or Dolly White?
I don't recall.
And is the last male that we hear, is that Jeffery Williams or Thug?
I don't recall.
Now, back in 2015, you talked about the gun that Quindarius Zachary bought for you, or Little D from Cleveland purchased for you. Do you remember talking about that?
I don't recall.
Okay. To your knowledge, did Mr. Williams ever tell Little D to purchase that gun for you?
Huh?
The gun that was found at the Dunbar Center?
I'm listening.
Okay. To your knowledge, at any point, are you aware if Mr. Williams or Thug told Little D to get that gun from you?
Because it sounds funny. And it,
Okay. Do you need me to repeat my question?
you said, did Mr. Williams tell me to get...
No, excuse me. Let me rephrase. The gun from the Dunbar Center.
Uh-huh.
To your knowledge, did Thug tell Little D to get that gun from you?
From me?
Yes.
He don't know. No, I don't know. No.
Your answer is no?
Huh?
Your answer is no?
I ain't never heard none of this stuff you talking about.
Do you recall telling the detective in your 2015 interview that it was your understanding that Thug told Little D to get that gun from you?
I don't recall. I tell the detectives anything they want to hear.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would like to tender State's Exhibit 378, Yankee Delta, into evidence. This is the June 10th interview of Mr. Copeland as a prior inconsistent statement.
I don't think that's anything I can deal with right this instant. Can y'all step out for a minute for me? Thank you. You're saying for either. Is your position that it's not laid for either of those ones, or?
That's true. That is correct. For the June 10th, specifically 378 YD. And also that last question, we all heard this honorable court's statement that until a foundation is laid about asking Mr. Zachary whether Mr. Williams, the answer was, I don't recall that ever happening, or I think he said no. I think actually Mr. Copeland said no, that did not happen. And then Ms. Hilton said, well, you told that to a detective. He said, I don't recall, I lied to the detective. And then we just abandoned it and went to, I'm going to introduce June 10th. So that's why I object.
Ms. Hilton.
In the underlying foundation about whether or not he was aware that Mr. Williams purchased the gun, his response was, no, that didn't happen. And then I confronted him by saying, didn't you recall saying in this interview that you told the detectives that?
Yeah, so you've established that it's a prior inconsistent statement, but what we were dealing with earlier when we were going through all of the statements is, does he even have any foundation to know that? And that was the foundational question, which doesn't appear to have been established.
So that's not, we don't have to delay. We will extract those two portions out of the interview.
Okay, so you'll just take both of those out.
We'll take both of those out and we'll move forward with the rest of the interview.
All right.
Strike then, if you don't mind, the last question and answer, if the jurors can even remember what it was, without reminding them what it was.
Okay, well, we can strike it, but do you want me to do something to strike it, ask them to ignore it, or just move on? Sure.
I will have a response. I don't know if we need to strike because there's a proper question that I asked. He said, I don't recall, and then that's it. I don't know if there's a striking of a question because he did say that in the interview. That's not a improper question. And if he says, I don't recall.
Okay, well, the thing is, you're supposed to have a foundational basis to believe he might know. Let's just find out what, after consultation, Mr. Steele wants to know. Sure.
Your Honor, we would like the court, without reminding the jurors of what the topic was, to, if the court is inclined to accept our recommendation that, ladies and gentlemen, there was no basis for the question asked by the prosecutor, the last question asked by the prosecutor, and I hereby order you to strike that from your notes and your minds. And if you don't remember the question,
Don't worry about it.
exactly, you followed my
Any
instructions.
response, mistake? Yes.
That was proposed.
All right. I don't know that I need to say there was no basis. I'm just going to say strike the last question and answer for your minds and your notes. All right, let's get the jury back in. Hey, Octavia, we don't have to worry about it right now. But I need some instruction on how to, if I want to search up in this document. So. I'm sure it's easy, but. All right, thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I am going to instruct y'all to strike the last question and answer that was asked and answered before the break from your minds and from your notes. If you don't remember what it was, then consider it already stricken. All right, go ahead, Ms. Hilton. Yes. I can't hear what you said.
Understanding what is being published is not in evidence at this time.
She asked for it to be admitted, and I said admitted. It is. 378 Yankee Delta.
The February 21st interview, was that not Yankee Delta?
That was Yankee Delta. Yes, it was. That appears to be the same number.
378.
Good
Yankee.
catch.
Sorry, 378 Yankee Echo, Your Honor.
The June 10th is Yankee Echo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. All right, that's admitted.
To the extent that there is not a standing objection or a continuing objection, I would like to put forward a continuing objection to 378 Yankee Echo.
All right. I think there is, from what we all have discussed during non-jury days, but to the extent there's not, there is now. All right. Go ahead.
Do you have warrants? I got some warrants. I mean,
Your Honor, we started at 90034.
for him? What you what I want to say, No, you got warrants from Atlanta PD. What happened? Well, you have possession of a gun. And then we found the gun in the apartment. The other way. And then we found another gun in the apartment. What apartment? Carl? Yeah. So you got some issues going on. This shit, hell. You know, it's real now. The gun you had over there at the Dunbar Center, that was purchased by Lil Deacon Quindarius. That was Quindarius' gun. He purchased that. So it's about to get real. What other watch for? Know that there's 3 separate warrants just for the gun that from the Dunbar Center. That's a firearm by a big felon, reckless conduct because the gun was left on the bleachers in the gym, in the bag, and then you have a gang charge as well. That's the 3 is from that one incident, and now you're gonna have some more for that other gun because that gun is reported stolen. What other gun? So it was a Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm. Okay, but listen to this right here. I ain't getting no behind this. No. I missed my baby party. Nah, when's your baby party? If I ain't getting no bond, it's on the 17th. Yeah, you gonna be out by the 17th, $5. But I'm not a judge. Judge may give you a bond. Judge may not. I don't know. I told you. You don't understand what's going on. I totally understand because I've been working what's going on. So I get it, but that don't mean it's right. I totally get it. You wouldn't believe me if I tell you. It's a lot of happening. You wouldn't believe me if I tell you this. That's what I'm saying. Tell you what. Shame out of it. Get the fuck out of here. I say you won't believe me if I tell you.
Get zero-down leases now at Bomber Mazda in West County. Lease a 2024 Mazda CX-30 Select Sport with zero down.
They tested D yesterday, tell him D. Get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? You serious? Party, man. Let me go get my stuff out. You want something? Yeah. What you want? Can I call this she's on? Something like a ward or something. I can't get you no phone call not at this moment. Okay, come on. Listen, King. Alright, decide this shit right here. I still got this. I got hearing counsel. I got a problem with them. What? You about the jail, the courts? Yeah. What do you mean you got a problem with them? Good. When I got out, I had court date, May 4th. I went there court date. Mm-hmm. And then I went there like they know it wasn't me and all that stuff. Mm-hmm. But when they like I'll be reset, I'm waiting for trial. So it's like when I go to court. But long story short, the lady never told. So when I contact you when I had to go to court, this man had to to appeal. I don't know what they doing down there. That's why I said you got shit on top of shit on top of shit. And then the other shit is that MacBook computer that was in the house. MacBook computer? Yeah. And the IDs and stuff that was in the truck. And the sunglasses and all that stuff. We know where that came from. Those 4 cars broke it into yesterday. And that stuff is in the truck you've been driving. And that computer is in your apartment. Shit on top of shit on top of shit on top of shit. Nah, them gonna take this shit. I ain't so they yours? Nah, I said them ain't gonna take this shit. I didn't have no parts of it. Okay. We gonna grab? Yeah, I can grab my stuff. We gonna count. This shit, okay. Directly contact. A gang charge. Next to my shit, they found another gun. Another position of firearm record offense. This shit, hurt. Shit, hurt. Letters from bringing you close. This shit crazy, man. All this shit I ain't doing, man. But hell, man, I must have called a lot of bullshit, man. Fuck ass shit, man. Cause that stuff I don't like a big fake. Cause that stuff I don't like a big fake. Cane charge. She ain't with me, bro. God damn, man. This shit hell, man. This shit hell, man. This little phone like a bitch shit. Cane charge. Record content. Another gun charge. And she tried to shop up with your car. Shit. Shit ain't man. Damn, man. They talking about gang charge, bro. What the fuck, man? That shit lame here, man. Gang charge, though. They ain't telling me what the game for, bro. I ain't damn, son. You been hanging with these niggas, man. So I go for the game, man. Fuck, man. Charge. Possession of a firearm by convicted felon. These folks trying to take away from me, man. The fuck, man? Push that in the door, bro. Got the cops and all this bullshit, bro. I ain't getting none of this shit, man. These my shit about to slip the west. What? shit, yeah, man. And they push that here in county shit, man. But hell, man. Shit, I ain't getting no bond. I forget they do it like that. Damn, fuck, man. Yeah. That shit ain't gonna work, man. It hurt, bro. Fuck it, man. But fuck, bro. Man, bro. I got me locked up on all this shit. Then somebody done like, man, well, check that out, yeah. Oh, man, but that stuff out about this other gun, and they were stolen. What, they had that one? I try to do everything I can to be out there for other girls. The fuck, man, you gonna keep breaking me up, bro. Straight up, bro. Man. Ain't to it. But this no fair. File on my fit fair. Break the conduct. Dang. Then she thought she just found a gun. Previously, 4 cars been broke into yesterday. They broke in no motherfucking car. Fuck. 20 IDs in the car that I'm driving. This shit here, like, fuck. I just got myself in trouble about shit. Whole other nigga doing, man. This shit lame. She must have found another gun. But fuck, man, I'm gonna try hard, Lord. Man, I got shit here. I ain't hear tell me, ain't do you two change something. Possession of firearm business and whatever the other bullshit is, man. Shit, man. still trying to hide it, man. I ain't even into it, man. Straight up, bro. Man, this shit cold in here, man. God damn, man. Fuck it. I'm fuck with it, man. Maybe you need to trick me on the street, man. Shit ain't. Man. It's over here, man. Shit, dude. So we all lost everything, man. They fucked me up. miss her party, girl.
$922.51. And resuming at 9:34:13.
You know, a lot of frustration can be avoided. You know, every mom said she gonna be here, but I said, yeah, you know, she did. You know, she did. How did I get a game truck? How did I get a what for a game truck? I'm explaining all that to you. I'm sure you know that, I don't know if they explained it to you, you know what I'm saying, before. Anytime you get caught doing something that's not legal, and you already have that gang stuff attached to you before, we can prove that the charges were in furtherance of gang activity, if that makes sense. But I'm working on this, which I can say. Since I've been out, I haven't been out. I went with nobody. I beg to differ. Huh? I beg to differ, meaning I don't agree when it comes to that part. I ain't been with Shelly now. Okay. Shelly is at least your problems at this point. Today is the what? 10th. First of all, do you want to talk to me about what's going on? You haven't been down here enough where you know we got to go through the form. You want to talk to me? Okay. Going to jail again for protect myself.
I ain't sleep.
Going back to jail for protect myself. How would you protect yourself? I ain't did that. I ain't do that around there. I'm just saying. I'm listening to you. I'm listening. And you tomorrow, you just found another gun and date from Dunbar City was April 28, 2015. And I have been informed of my constitutional rights as follows: that I remain silent, not to make any statements. Any statement I make may be used against me in a court of law. That I have the right to consult with an attorney and before making any statements, have the attorney present with me while I'm making a statement. That if I do not have enough money to employ an attorney, I have the the right to have one appointed to represent me by the court to consult with him before making any statements and have him present with me while I am making a statement. If I request an attorney, no questions will be asked me until my attorney is present. Can you read and write English? That's a yes or no? Yeah. Do you still want to talk to me after having your rights advised to you? Yeah. Okay. Today's date is June 10th, 2015, 9:39.
Yeah, I my brother in there.
I haven't been down there. I didn't speak to your brother or anything. Well, I spoke to Deshaun, and I think Deshaun called him up.
You say you found IDs in the truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna phone here. Yes. Thanks.
Could the other house one of the room where it goes hot? Cold. Good one.
Right here, X. Do you know this cut in?
It's I think one will be put on it.
I'm not reporting to police officers like that. I mean, her door is damaged, but it's not, horrible. She spoke with Eric Hines, with the head out to marshals, and they're going to give her something to give to them. But as far as we're not going to go over there and say put her out or anything like that. Okay, what you're here for is your warrants from Dunbar Center. Can you tell me what's going on with that? Can you tell me what's going on with that? With that weapon? How'd you get it? Number one. Because I got a version of how you got it, but I want to hear from you. How'd you get that up?
How did you hear I got it?
Because you had it. We got the video, bro. We got the video. So my question is to you, how did you become in possession of that? We ain't really gonna do the back and forth today.
I know y'all ain't.
You are, because our shit is set in place. This is an opportunity for you to help you. And I'm asking, how did you get in possession of that?
When I told, like,
You have, right now, you have 3 warrants. Your warrants is for possession of a firearm, no possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. Reckless conduct, because there were other people, including children, in that gym, and you walked in with that bag and you left that bag sitting on the bench. We saw all that from the video, and then of course I displayed you with the gang charge. So,
what's really including today?
Yeah, that's
not including today.
Like each separate incident, right?
What you mean today?
I'm gonna explain it to you. Each separate incident, like with the stuff at the Dunbar Center, right? And that gun and that reckless conduct, you get a gang charge. Okay? Then you have that weapon that was found in the kitchen where you were taken into custody at. That weapon is going to be yours. It's going to be processed. It's going to be processed for DNA. It's going to be fingerprinted, all of that stuff. So are you saying that's Deshaun's gun? Because she said she don't know about the gun.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all said the gun. Deshaun had a house full of that night. They was fighting yesterday.
Okay. Well,
that's why I like it. They got no video on it.
Wait. I already talked to her about that. She don't want no report. She don't want none of that. I talked to her about that incident. You're going to be charged with that firearm. That firearm was stolen. Okay. Now, in addition to, you asked me, I'm explaining it to you. That firearm that was in the kitchen was stolen. Okay. So you'll have another possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. That's by receiving a stolen gun, and then you'll have an additional gang charge.
Another gang charge?
But that's what I'm explaining to you. Every separate incident, a gang charge will be added. Now, you have a warrant. You were talking about here in the county. This is one from the city of Atlanta. The FTA for riding all-terrain vehicles or whatever. You have the FTA for the city for that. Now, In addition to that, in that truck that you've been driving, because we know you've been driving the Jeep along with Deshaun. I'm gonna tell you, but you asked me, I'm explaining. Okay, that truck had some stolen property in it, which was those IDs. Okay, inside the apartment, the laptop computer was under the floor right there by Deshaun. I said, whose laptop is that? She like, I don't know, it's some friend. I called that person from. She like, no, that ain't mine. Okay, now the truck you've been driving has that person who owns that ID in the truck, owns the laptop. His ID was in the truck. Okay, so therefore, that's probably another enter and out case, and a theft by receiving stolen property for the laptop. And I didn't tell you. Okay. That's fine. We're gonna get to that. But you asked me what you're looking at, and in addition to that, this is Ms. Cunningham with the ATF. The feds are looking to pick up the case with these guns. Absolutely. I'm gonna go to the feds. We don't know right now. It's up to you. Hell no. It's totally up to you. Whatever you want to know, I want to be a black child, bro.
Because let me just explain something to you. This is, I don't know what you know about the feds, but every time, we talk to somebody and they say like, oh, I'm going to the feds, I'm going to the feds. Let me just explain to you what the feds is, okay? You know you're a felon. Okay, I need you to listen. You know you're a felon. You know you got that gun today. So you can't even dispute that. So I don't even want you to try because you're just going to be wasting my time and yours too. And just let it finish. With the gun today, the one we found today in the apartment. Now, when it comes to the federal system, it's not you go do your time and there's no parole. There is no, what is it?
Early release.
No early release. You may get good behavior, but that's only like,
I heard.
You get nothing. And they typically don't let you stay in Atlanta. They might ship you out somewhere clear across the country. So, whatever you do, I go back and tell the U.S. attorney that's assigned to your case, this is what he did to help himself out. It pans out. Or I can go back and tell her, this is what he said. We found out it was lies. He continued to play games. The judge do what they want to do. So, what I'm trying to tell you before we even get started, especially while I'm sitting here, everything is on you because I've never talked to you before. So with me, you almost get a clean slate to help yourself. I don't do lies. I just don't because I got too much other stuff to do. And I would hate to have to go back and tell any U.S. attorney, you know what, he just lying and he full of crap. It's up to you, Mr. Copeland. You are I think, is it a 3 or 4 time convicted felon? How many felons do you have?
About 3, huh?
You got 3?
About 3 or 4. Right.
How many felonies?
I'm saying, like, is it what I'm on probation for?
How many convictions that are felonies do you have? Is it 3 or 4?
So around there, yeah, I don't know.
Okay, let's just assume it's 3, okay? I'm going to tell you right now. With 3, have you ever heard of armed career criminal?
You might have heard of me lying.
Have you ever heard of armed career criminal? With 3, where you sitting at now, and you how old? 23. You get 15 years off the top. That's before you even get into the time for whatever your charge is, and possession by convicted felons is 5 years. Twice is 10. So we talking about 15 plus 10 on top of that. You're looking at, what, 48 years old? That's what you're looking at. This is serious.
I told you.
Nobody has time for the bull crap.
I told you it's getting real. Did I not? I knew it. I tried to.
That's not including whatever conspiracies you involved in. Mr. Copeland, if I really wanted to be a badass and treat you bad, I could probably throw the book at you and wouldn't think twice about it. You got a baby girl. Beautiful baby girl.
I've been trying, man. These police try to kill me, they sell me. Why everybody in the world try to kill you? They think I told them about what? They did. she's like, so she just went out, like, cause I called her, like, damn, your brother trying to have me killed. You know what I mean? Like, what the hell have I did to him? Right. And she just like, stop listening to everybody, this and that and that. This how she's just going out, and then yesterday out of the blue, she just checked the phone, like, she just alive. The message still in the phone, though.
I'm asking you, what reasoning would it be that they would want you knocked off?
The list. When Nut got killed, man, the police took me down here. I came down here. Now, I told them, like, man, look, I don't know what the hell going on, you know what I mean? But these police act like they might kill this man. I mean, so I keep telling them this. You know what I mean? This and that. So,
he like, man, don't say man, this and that. Like, talk clear,
right,
precise.
Right. Man, I'm real about folks, some shit like that. Yeah. I'm like, I'm real about it, nigga. But anyway, long story short, the terrorist was calling my phone. You know what I mean? And he was right there. Yeah. So I answered the phone. And he looked at me like this. So, but I don't know what's going on.
Why are you looking at you like that?
Because he see me answer the phone for him.
But at what point does Thug have anything to say about Nuts murder and to be looking at it any kind of way, like, don't worry about that, like this?
I'll get to you.
Please, we've been waiting months.
No, and guess what? Well, I heard you try to him, but I ain't. This way, I answered the phone. Hello? Yeah, this I knew it was the detective cop.
The one that's handling the murder case?
Nah, it was different detectives. I went on too. My sister said that she described it. You know what I mean? But she was just like a man. Right? I thought she was like you. So she was like, detective called Ike. So I answered the phone, and he right there. So I'm like, yeah, this kind of close to what this and that. And they just talking to him. And he just looking at me, but I didn't think he could. I didn't need that. So I'm like, shit, nigga. Yeah. So then, he ain't say that. Like, maybe 2 days later, another detective called. How long ago was this? It's like, shit. This
right around when it happened?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then these folks' house get shot. So the detectives just keep calling. I mean, they show up my poor house up. When my poor call, I give them the detective my number. You feel what I'm saying? Tell them what's going on. Y'all know me. I'm telling you. So I'm telling them, so that they know what he do. He did. I think he did something. He got rid of me. I'm saying, like, he got rid of me. I'm saying, what you mean? Like, he's like, he ain't want me to hang around no more.
This stuff.
Yeah. So I'm like, damn, what the hell?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Why the hell you don't want me around?
Right.
So I get Shannon like, yeah, I don't know. So I walk into the court, they ain't know.
When is this?
I
mean, are you talking about old shit or old recent stuff?
I'm talking about now, all the way to now.
Okay.
They did all the shit I'm saying, but
once again, why does it matter to Thug that if you talking to the police or not, if he has no say so in what happened with Nut?
Between us, what's going on? Between us, man, I want to say they had something to do with it.
Who is that?
All of them.
Thug who?
And Shannon, Billy, and I just, because all of them act funny towards me.
But listen to me. How long you been doing shit?
Long as Thug has.
Okay. You've been knowing Shannon a good part of your teenage adult life, correct? Y'all basically grew up together, right?
Went to school together.
Y'all like brother. You, Demikion, and Shannon. That's from what I know.
Yeah.
So I can pretty much assume that if it's something like that they did, even if you weren't involved in it, you know about it. Because I'm telling you, everything kind of keeps coming back to you. You understand? Because Shannon out there on the streets now. So once again, the only thing, and I say this, and hold on, and I say this, and I want you to really understand it. You need to speak on this murder because we know, we already know you know something other than them. Listen, I'm telling you the truth. They did.
Who is they? can't say who did it. Who is that? This how I know they did. This Thursday. I don't know which one of them did. I was at the house. So when I woke up, my baby mama, she already told me she to go to the mall. So when I woke up, she still ain't got back. I called her, where you at? She like, she on what, the $100 ad with her mom there. I'm like, dang, you got on it? Well, long story short, so I'm on the way. This is near when the murder happened. Yeah, okay. This the night. The night. Okay. So, after that, I had, that night murder happened. I called them, I threw it on. He already answered for me. He did. My FaceTime. And then it's like, and like, he hung it up. Like, damn. So I called him. He like, well, yeah, what is it, Dominican? Yeah, Dominican. Okay. I don't talk to him on TV. So I talked to D. D like, we don't please, bro. I don't think it's comfort. Did the white charge. Right. Alright. So I walk up a bird house. I run to the car. They give me the car. I get the car, I pull up at the green store. When I got to the green store, nah, they were like, I called through. I ain't called you right then. I called through. He ain't answer. So when I got the car, I got pulled up at the green store. I ain't survived. So I'm talking to Lorette. Me and Lorette talking. I called D. D said they don't please. So Rick asked like, where you gonna go? You try around. I'm gonna go to the girl. He's like, alright. Boom. I get in the car. I ride to you. I pull up at the McDonald's. To a McDonald's side. Cleveland, Mayfield, like the one right across from the BP. Yeah. So I pull up at the BP. I mean, the McDonald's. So D like they put it in. So they put in. Who was D with? He with Bentley them. Okay. So they put in. Bentley them who? You said Bentley. I know that OG Bentley on issue. Okay, who else? It was D Nord and Bentley. The only three I think. Okay. No, I'm not. They the white key. It was D Nord, Bentley, Dole, Shannon, and all of them in one car? Yeah. What kind of car was it? That Jeep, the Nitro he got, the white one. Boom. They got out. I mean, D got out. So when D got in the car with me, D like, but nigga, they killed her. I'm like, who? He like, what? But when you say boy, I got in the car. So y'all stop talking about it. Yeah, so I'm like, why the hell did you stop talking? I ain't say that. I got in the car, ran. Went to a FaceTime, he like, boy, they say nuts, you got shot, what? I like, well, I just heard, what? He like, man, he like, well, you know his name, they screaming. I said, I know he was screaming name, but I'm telling him, like, I take you in that house. I didn't have no blood to it. Who was Nard? Nard locked up now. What are you locked up for? Kidnapping, so he was in Cover T on Cleveland. He got it for his girl. You know what I'm saying? What? Kidnapping. He ain't really, they had got to it. He was his girl. Yeah. He was with Tick when he got locked up? Yeah. They had put a video on Instagram, police busting one out. So now I get out the car, D stopped talking. So we get on the spreadway. Where are they following y'all? The Nitro? Nah, they told us to follow them. Okay, so y'all follow them. Yeah, but when you told me, I'm like, hell no, I ain't gonna follow them. But I had to get in and get out the car. I'm trying to keep these, so I see what the hell going on. Boom. So we followed them to the Dorr house. They stayed downtown on the Sky House. You heard that? I followed them down there. So I followed them down there. I see Dorr, they get up. So Nut got cut. He's like, boy, they just killed Nut. Like, who? Like, he did point, like. I mean, it's pointing to Nard? Yeah. So I'm like, where? He like, but. So, first thing I say, but, hell nah. I ain't gonna tell him anything. Why would they think you did? Who? Because me and Ken got into it. So, what fight does Nard have with it? Nah, she just want me to tell you. I think Thug and Nut had a problem with each other. Right. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Because, man, I don't know. Like, I mean, you know that you were starting and you'll kind of pull yourself back. No, I'm not pulling myself back. You know what you hear. You may not know for sure, but tell me what you hear. I'm what D tells me. Right. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all get, D can tell y'all more than I can. I mean, cause if they did come down here and talk to him, I just come when I gave you his number. He ain't want to talk to me about that bullshit. Nah, he already told him I gave you his number. You know what I'm saying? I told D, bro, I love you too much, bro. I've been there to help you on everything, bro. I know you. I mean, I even told them these niggas before you, bro, and you gonna go with them? I mean, so, but this what D tell me. I mean, right. This is the night right after the night of? Yeah. I mean, so, when they say that, my heart pound. I'm like, the fuck? I mean, I'm telling you, like, when I asked you, I said, you with them, bro? He like, no. He was just out. And then they like, come on, bro, they ride. I mean, so when they rolled, they pulled up over there. And I overheard them talking about it. You know what I'm saying? They were decent. They just supposed to went to hear the car and the guns where I ain't never heard. Like, they just cut me out. Like, they seen all the police just kept coming at me and talking to me. Mm-hmm. And like, whose car they were? They was in a gray car. Whose car was that? I have no clue. They was in a gray car. I mean, I had these like, I don't really know what kind of car he was in. I seen the car. You know what I'm saying? You did, like, on the video. Yeah, when I seen the car video, I'm like, well, who have you seen driving the car like that? Because it looked like maybe a Pontiac or some kind of new Ford car, silver. It wasn't no Pontiac. It was a silver car, though. It was like a new car, though. It wasn't no Pontiac. I mean, I don't know. I'm not good with cars. Yeah, it was a new car. It wasn't no Pontiac. Was it somebody's car or was it a runner? It was a runner. Well, how he gonna ride a runner? Shit, I don't know what details. I mean, but does that make sense? I'm saying, I'm not saying you might understand that. I understand how she's looking at me, man. I'm just looking at you. I hate jail, man. I damn how this nigga me sent with man, he try to kill me and my child, bro. And then he come out kill me, bro. I'm telling you, but who supposedly was with dog when they shot? You know, this happened. When I had D just like, oh, that nigga tripped. You know what I mean? Do you think Shannon had something to do with it? You saying that because you just said Shannon trying to kill me, bro? But it didn't work my life. I mean, I told Shannon, like, bro, I mean, don't ever be no crazy. Don't ever be no gopher, bro. The shit I be hearing, bro, Shannon do whatever for him. But and then I just heard some more stuff. You know what I mean? Shannon told me, like, he ain't walked in no door in the conversation. And this nigga ain't true. He a crip.
Pausing at 10:02:47. Resume at 10:03:22.
I promise I don't. I don't know. You don't think when I'm in prison. Huh? Prison. It's not jail, it's prison. Different. But this is what I'm saying. I ain't had no points like the shooting, parties. I have no point. I just ain't gonna do it for the same. I mean, when they start doing this shit, everybody call my name because they out. Who's it? Then they nigga put my name in these songs. It ain't even me. I mean, the way y'all look at me, y'all supposed to be there, sending them like this. I mean, y'all pay heads. I plan on taking care of my kids, man. I mean, fuck that, man. I ain't did nothing. I ain't shoot the houses. I ain't shot nobody. I mean, man, Only reason I had a gun because the tip told me, man, I had the right to defend myself. Because the same night he got killed, I came down and I was going to tell him. But guess what I was just thinking, like, man, these niggas thug. I know, man. Even right now, I'm still thinking about it. Like, shit, man, I just fucked myself up, man. Just worse and worse.
Yeah.
I want to say it.
I don't know. I don't make that decision.
I ain't got no point.
All I do is talk to the USA. The judge makes the decision on, what's going down there.
I ain't got no point. I ain't.
But you weren't. But I don't know if you had no part of that. That's yet to be determined. But you had every part of the gun that was found today.
No, you keep saying the gun that was found today. I didn't have that gun. Just like she said, y'all don't fingerprint. My fingerprint, I don't come back on that gun.
Do you know what actual and constructive possession is?
Being around?
Yeah, being around.
But I didn't know it was in there, though. Just like she said, she didn't know. I didn't know.
Man, somebody knew. The lady didn't know. She already.
Now, this is what I'm saying here. Me and her did, know what I mean? We were there. Know what I mean? But I wasn't there yesterday.
But you were there this morning when they found it, sweetheart.
You know how I got there this morning? You know how
but that's irrelevant. You were there. When they came and brought you up, it was there, you were there. That's all I need. That's on you.
So what you need me to do? I'm just trying to get it.
I mean, that's on you.
It's on me. It ain't no way I can get out of it.
Help yourself.
I'm trying.
Help myself you. That's you talking. That's a good start.
Man, these niggas got me in too much trouble. I ain't got none of that. You told my girl you was ATM?
I did. Yeah.
I could tell my brother.
I think I did.
Now you nigga don't know it, man.
Cause let's back at least to your burgers right now. Just being honest. On who know who I am. That's irrelevant. Irrelevant. That's irrelevant. It's irrelevant.
I just can't believe it don't went this far, and I ain't did it. I promise you, I ain't got no parts in this. None of this shit you be doing. I did.
It's hard to believe.
I know it's hard to believe. You know what I mean? But I haven't. Since I had that baby, I've been changed. I have.
You walked into the center with a bag of guns. That's not changed.
I walked into the center with a bag of guns.
Yeah. That's not changed. You're still doing the same thing. You have a gun in your eye today. That's not changed. Same stuff. You still get them from somewhere, but you can't go about one legally. That's not changed.
Where did you get that name from? I didn't have the gun that was in the house. I didn't. Who had it? They telling them just fine. That's not a funny question. Who had that name? I have it. I promise I did. You gotta promise me. You gotta promise your life. I am. Listen, I just love this explain to her. I'm telling you the truth. And I don't know what you said. I didn't have the gun. I didn't. Okay, how did you get possession of Quindarius' gun? Him. What does that mean? Him. When did he give it to you? The day he bought it.
He bought it for you. He bought it from you.
He bought it from you?
Mm-hmm. He did.
How much you pay for it? I bought it. He bought it at a pawn shop. I know what I'm saying. How much did you pay for it? Like $1,000. But I understand. I mean, I can't even say why. But why? Good. It's what happened. Because like, if they come at me, I'm gonna defend myself. this gun ain't stolen. So if the police get me, I'm not gonna get that much time. Like, you know what I mean? So I was stupid.
So how did the conversation come that what you just said? Could you go buy a gun for me? And you gave me $1,000.
It was just like they were like, I was landlord, Johnny, from them, not police. So I talked to the detective, and he just like he talked to the victim family, and he gonna let them know that it had nothing to do with the murder.
Oh, shit.
The detective told me that I had to right to pay my bill as long as I was home with my family. He said if I'm out in the club or anything,
That's what I told you when they were shooting at you in front of the house.
yeah, exactly. So that's what the gun was for. The gun was for protection.
But what had happened?
But when I got locked up, I gave the gun to them to sell it so I could get some money to get out.
You gave the gun to who to sell?
I gave the gun to Deacon, like, y'all sell the gun. Yeah.
Okay.
And like, y'all sell the gun and get me out. You feel? But when I was locked up, I called one of my partners. He's like, I got some money. You know what I'm saying? Like, can you help me out? He's like, yeah. So when he got help me out, they had brought me the gun back. When they brought me the gun back, I'm like, shit, I ain't want it. You know what I mean? So I'm still trying to sell it. That's why I had it. I mean, so when I got done, I got it from the green store. So I went up to the pub to go play baseball, but I'm waiting on them to come get it. So
waiting on who to come get it?
Lil D now. So his brother pulled up. I mean,
Lil D,
yeah.
You talking about the big kid or the Quindary?
The Lil D Cleveland.
Okay.
His brother pulled up to get it. I mean, they like, thug gonna give me $1,000 for it. I mean, so I was telling them that the gun. But I
So
don't
he initially, you gave him $1,000 to buy the gun, legit, because you wanted it to be legal and all that. I get that part. He gave the gun to you. What day? The day that he bought it, or was it after I said I had it? See, when I got locked up, I mean, when the police caught me with the gun, I had just got up. I got caught with it too. I got jail money. You got caught with what gun?
The gun, the D gun.
So why did he buy it?
What y'all talking about now?
No, I'm talking about the one that was the one that you from the Dunbar Center.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
You didn't get locked up for this.
No, I got out of jail for Henry County Monday, and the police got me the next day, Tuesday for the gun. That gun, yeah.
Well, that's when they got you from the Dunbar. You didn't go to jail that day.
No, I ain't go to jail.
Okay. You talking like it sounds like you was saying you was to jail. So you got out that Monday, Tuesday. Who gave you the gun back?
Now they gave it to me. Who gave me the? Legit bought me the gun.
And he knew he was buying it for you. Well, he was buying it back.
No, not the media ain't brought it back to me.
Right, that's what I'm asking.
They weren't kicking it with me no more.
Who wasn't kicking it with you?
None of them, like, only person that was kicking with me was Lil G from Canada. The media. Yeah. I mean, and then Shannon was like,
kind of back and forth?
Yeah.
But Shannon and Lil D be together all the time.
They together? Like I said to them yesterday, they were together yesterday.
But that's what I'm saying. How is it that you and Lil D always together, but then you and Shannon ain't kicking it like that?
See, this how kill it. Nah, this how it going. This how it going.
You think it's how it going?
I'm saying this how it going. This how it going right here. When like, Shannon, sometimes, you know what I mean? So, 1 minute, him and D together. When him and D ain't together, D will call me. You know what I mean? But, see, the only thing about it, I don't know what Shannon, you know what I mean? I ain't knowing what's going on. You know what I'm saying?
Stopping at 10:13:47. All right, let's actually stop and take a break too.